The essence of this workshop, what is it about? We want to deepen the understanding of the value of university for diverse students. Secondly, to equip counselors and agents with message and strategies to support students and families. On an annual basis, as a university, we come to deal with our partners who help us on this journey in terms of student recruitment and admissions. And today has been another success, engaging these counselors and agents who play an important role in the recruitment and admissions of students into Lancaster University, Ghana.
There's this belief that once you're a university graduate, you are a step ahead of poverty.
This program has been a wonderful one. We've been able to learn a lot of things in university placement, the courses, the school, everything about the school, the tuition, the scholarship program.
This is a very reputable university. They have, all the state-of-the-art world-class facilities.
This is the first time I'm attending this webinar. It's been very educative for me, and I think it's been an exciting time. A lot of things that has been shared here about the ranking, everything about how we can actually engage these students.
And I'm so happy to be here because always a concern about the payment of tuition fee, and coming here to know that we have an organization that gives the same quality as the UK schools in Ghana and given at a cheaper price.
What you have just shared with us, I see you have a very great and wonderful support system for the students, both academics, emotional, and so on.
But then in this program, all lecturers are actually practicing lawyers. What does it do for students? It gives students a first-hand approach to what happens in the industry.
So I would say a chief takeaway from this event is being empowered with the right information to be able to share with our families that we represent. It addresses a lot of pain points, from the financial implications to issues about safety and security.
I would say one thing, I've met new people. It's been exciting. It's not only about getting the students, it's about knowing the people involved to ensure that they bring in the right sets of students to us and quality.